Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabri from Code Revolution. So today I am here with another update for Headless Browser API. This is an API which is able to return scraped content with JavaScript rendered elements in it. So I will link it in this video's description. If you haven't heard of it, you can go check it. But now let me talk about the latest update for this API. So if we go to docs here, we will see that the API has also here in the bottom a screenshot feature. And let me demonstrate this to you. This is the API node that makes the call to the screenshot feature. Don't bother using this API key because I will delete it after this video. So let's make this request. So I messed up the URL here, sorry. So let me fix this real quick. Okay, and now we will do an API request and the API will return a screenshot. As you can see, this is a screenshot, a full page screenshot actually of Google. And the update that I want to talk about here is that you can change the format of the screenshot from JPEG, which is this screenshot now, to PDF. To do this, you will have to enter this parameter format equals PDF and hit enter. And after a brief processing time, when the API fetches the page that you wish to screenshot and returns it here. So returns it to you. As you can see, it is a PDF now. This is a PDF file, and if we save it, we will have a PDF download ready for our use. So yeah, this is the latest update for the API, meaning that the screenshot feature will have also the format parameter, which will be able to set between JPEG and PDF screenshot formats, and the default is JPEG. So if you don't add this parameter, a JPEG will be returned by the screenshot feature of the API. However, if you want a PDF, starting from now, you can also add PDF screenshot using the API. So yeah, this is all for today. This was a quick update. If you haven't heard of Headless Browser API, go ahead and check it in this video's description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.